Unit 2, Roman numerals. We usually use the numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 to write number. And these numerals are known as Hindu-Arabic numerals. We are using Roman numerals and Hindu-Arabic numerals for the values. So Romans originated this Roman numerals and they have 7 letters in them. They are I, V, X, L, C, D, M, where I indicates 1, V indicates 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D 500, M thousands. And here are some of the methods in order to write Roman numerals, or how can we write Roman numerals. We can able to know with the help of these methods, and about these methods I have told you in my earlier videos also. And so let's start with our exercise. Exercise 2a, question number 1, write using Hindu-Arabic numerals. So this is what X, V. X is our 10, V is our 5. If I am adding both, then I'll get 15. X is 10, V is 5, I is 1. So 10 plus 5, 15 plus 1, 16. X 10, X 10, I or V. So IV is 4. So 10 plus 10, 20, it is 24. Then we have 10, 20, 30 and IX 9. 10, 50 में से माइनस हुआ तो we'll get 40. XL is our 40. अब XL is our 40, V is 5, I is 1. तो 45 plus 1, 46. 10, 20, 30 and we have 3 I's here to 33. XL is our 40, 45, 46, 47. This will be 40, IX is 9, so 49 and L is our 50. Okay, if I have a question like this, L is 50, 60, 70, 80, 80. I, 2 I are there, so 282. If we have a question like 50, 60, 70, 80 and 9, it will be 89. XC, that means I am subtracting 10 from 100, so it will be 90. So XC is our 90. XCII, तो XC तो 90 होता है, then II 2, 92. Then again XC 90, IX is 9, तो 99 and we know C is our 100. Now coming to question number 2. Write using Roman numerals. I, 1 is I and 4, but it is 14, so 10 plus 4, so X is 10, IV is 4, so it is 14. 10, V, I, 10, 5, 15, 16, 17. 26 होता है 20 plus 6, तो 20 के लिए I will write 2x, 6 will be VI. You can also use this technology or this method to write the numbers. So if you want to write, so you can separate them and then write X is our 30 or IX is our 9. It is also one of the easiest method. 20 plus 8, so 20 is XX and 8 is VII. 30 plus 4, so 30 will be XX and 4 will be IV. Is it clear? If I have 52 here, so 50 plus 2, 50 तो होता है L and II is our 2. If I have 58, so 50 plus 8, 50 is L and 8 will be VII. If I have 69, so 60 plus 9, 60 क्या होता है? LX is our 60 and IX is our 9. 71 के लिए LXX 70, 50, 60, 70 और I 71. Clear? Now I have 78, so 70 plus 8, L, X, X, 50, 60, 70, V, I. 3 times I, that is 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, so 78. 90, you know 90 is XC because I am subtracting 10 from C. So C is our 100, 100 में से 10 subtract किया तो I get 9. 90, तो XC is our 90. If I have to write 97, तो XC is 90 and VII is our 97. Okay. Question number 3. Fill in greater than or less than. So first of all, change these Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic so that it will be easy for you to find out which is greater or which is less than. So XL is 40, XXX 30, IX 9 39. So what number will be greater? XL will be greater. Clear? If I have XL, IX, XL is our 40, IX is our 9, so it will be 49. L is our 50, IX is our 9, so it will be 59. So which number is greater? 59 is greater. C and L. So C is our 100 and L is our 50. Acha, let's just listen. If there is someone who don't know about Roman numerals, तो C और L को देख के what he will say? He will say कि C पहले आता है and L comes afterwards, तो L will be greater. But you know that what is C and what is L, so you just have to write the values and then find it out which number is greater. So C is greater. Is it clear? So we must know about these Roman numerals because many of the times these numbers arrives or they appears in front of our eyes. So it is our duty to able to identify the numbers. So if we are learning Roman numerals, so we must know ना that which number is greater or which is less than. Like this question, XC is 90. अब ये नंबर छोटा लग रहा है हमें देखने में and this number is greater. Okay, तो just let's find it out that which number is greater. It is 50, 60, 70, 80 and 88. देखा, I have just told you, those who don't know about Roman numerals, they will say that this number is greater because it appears greater to us. But actually this number is greater. XC is greater to us. In the same manner, we have question number 4. LXXX 50, 60, 70 and V is 5. So they both are equal. So I'll write equals to sign here. Now 42 plus 16. Let's solve the question first. 6, 7, 8. 4 or 1, 5, 58. And it is what? 48. So which is greater? 58 is greater. अब 120 minus 45. So it will be 5 and 9 में से if I am subtracting 4 तो 11 में से I am subtracting 4 तो what will be the number? 7. Okay, so if you have any confusion, what you have to do is you just have to check it out. 5 और 5 10 होता है 0, then 1 carry 8 और 4 12 होता है, तो it is your correct number. तो L है 50, 60, 70, 80, 85. तो which number is greater? 85 is greater. Is it clear to you? Now the rest question you have to do on your own. Question number 5, write in ascending orders. So as I have told you earlier also that ascending order means from smallest to largest. So a very easiest method I am going to tell you, that is, first of all change these numbers into Hindu-Arabic form and write down the numbers above the Roman numerals. LX is 60, XL is 40, this is our 30, LX होता है 60 and IX 9 तो 69, L 50, 60, 70, XXX 30 और 5, 6, 37, 5, 6, 7. तो smallest, what number or which number is the smallest one? This is 31. तो instead of writing Hindu Arabic, we have to use Roman because Romans में question is given, तो we have to write down our answer in also Roman number. XL, XXX. Now 30 के बाद we have 37, तो XXX VII. Then 37 के बाद I am having 40, तो XL. 40 के बाद we have 60, LX. 60 के बाद 69, LXIX, and then 70. Is it clear? Now in the same manner, write in descending order. Descending order is from largest to smallest. Again the same method we are going to apply. 20, X और X 20 होता है 21, 10 और V 15, L 50 होता है और IX 9 तो 59, L 50, X 60 यानी 50 plus 10 60 और I 61, X और X 20 29, X C 9 होता है यानी 90 होता है and IX is 9 तो 99. तो descending order में we have to start with the largest number. तो which number is our largest? 99 is the largest. So XCIX comes first. Then we have 61, LXI, and then we have 59, LIX, then 29, XXIX, after that 21, and the smallest one is 15. Is it clear? Now question number 7, write the answers in Roman numerals. That means you have to write the answers in Roman numerals. So 8 5s are 40. First of all write 40 here. Now what 40 is what in Roman numerals? It will be XL. अब V 5 है, X is 10, तो 5 into 10 50, और 50 को रोमन्स में लिखते हैं L. 7 9s are 63. 60 will be what? L 50, 60, 1 2 3, 63. Is it clear? If I have question like this, LV क्या है? 55 plus XL क्या है? 40 45. अब if I have to add them, तो what it will be? So it will be 100, and 100 is our C. Okay, rest of the questions you have to do on your own. I hope this revision video helps you a lot in doing rest of the questions. Students, very patiently do all the questions. Don't hurry up. Just calm down and do all the exercise questions. Take your care, your parents' care, and also stay healthy, stay safe. Good luck. Goodbye.